So next one on the list is processing office. Before we add in processing office or look at further information, it's important to understand what is processing office in our CRM. So processing office stands for a part of your organization which is responsible for processing the applications received from different offices or counselors. Now, it's very, very individual to an organization how they really utilize a processing office. A lot of companies, agencies have centralized processing office for the entire global operations. So every application would come into one single place, and that processing office is responsible to communicate to universities and process the applications for every branch office. Some agencies have multiple branch offices for every country or region. So, for example, for south of China, you have a separate processing office. For African continent, you may have a separate processing office. Some agencies which are only national may have national regional processing office, and some of the agencies which are small may still have a processing office for every country that they represent. So there may be a UK processing office, which means every UK application from within one office would land to one person, and that one person is responsible to process applications. So it depends on how what processing office means to you. Accordingly, you can actually assign the rights and institution to the processing office. So adding a processing office is pretty simple. You go on add under processing office, select a name. So I've named it as UK processing office because maybe I want to process all my UK university applications using this office. Add the other contact information, assign the institution. In this case, I will only select UK universities or colleges, or add all the in contact information, select a user ID, which should be a valid email address, assign a password, and submit.